Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Harin. Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you want to change yourself? Do you want to change your personality? Do you want to change your communication skill? Do you want to change your personality with attractive communication skills? So yes, this video only for you. Yes, this video only for you. Watch this video till then. Today I will tell you everything. How can we change yourself? You can change 1%, then you can see the result before doing this type of activity. I will tell you, I will guide you in this video. Okay? Yes, if you want to speak English, so do you do activity every day. You have to speak English at least to 5 minutes to 10 minutes. You have to speak whatever comes your mind. You have to speak. What will happen? You speak English, you feel very comfortable with this language. Your confidence will be boosted, and you have a basic idea how to speak English in front of mirror, in front of pupil. Yes, I am saying right, because I am doing this type of activity every day. Okay. Second thing, do you want to change your personality? So if you try to do exercise every day, push-ups you have to do, and you have to join any gym, and you have to go regularly, because you have to maintain a consistency power is very important. They get result earlier, but you have to consistent, you have to maintain consistency what you want to do every day. Yes, consistency gives result, but people do 1 2 3 days, after that leave it. No, you have to do every day. Whatever you want to do, you have to do every day. Yes. Second thing, if you want to change your personality, so you have to decide, you have to burning desire. I want to change myself 1% every day. Yes, you can also, you can change, but you have to decide and you take action. I want to change my body and personality, so you have to do push-ups, running, and do yoga. Yes, and meditation. After that you have to change, and you can see your glow in your face. Yes, whatever I am saying, I am doing this type of activity. And before, I did not do this type of activity. I don't have so many things. I procrastinate all these things, but now I cannot procrastinate, because I know, I read this book, I have an idea, I have a knowledge, because I have to do these things. Yes, so I am here, right? So you have to do every day without any gap. After that you can see the result. Definitely you can result. If you want to change a 1%, so please do comment in comment section. Yes, take care. Bye bye.